Optek Robotics Walker. Your mobile companion. Imagine having a humanoid robot as your companion. Meet Walker, created by the Chinese company Optek Robotics. Introduced at CES 2018 and 2019, Walker is designed to follow you, maintaining balance, avoiding obstacles, and even recognizing family members. With mechanized hands, it can draw, pick up items, and perform various tasks. Walker is your future multifunctional home assistant, controlling smart home devices and more. Joola Infinity, the ultimate table tennis partner. For table tennis enthusiasts, Joola Infinity is a dream come true. This smart and advanced robot can release 30 to 100 balls per minute with adjustable speed and spin. Its wide working angle adapts to different playing styles, challenging both beginners and professional players. Improve your skills and enjoy endless fun with Joola Infinity. Petoi Bittle. Build your own robot adventure. Unleash your creativity with Petoi Bittle, an affordable DIY robot kit priced at $225. Assemble of 5 elements: body frame, actuator, electronics, battery, and software to create a fully functional robot. Once assembled, the robot can move, overcome obstacles, and self-right. The kit offers hours of entertainment while introducing you to the basics of robotics and programming. SWDK Handi-Mopper, your smart floor cleaner. Hate mopping? Let SWDK Handi-Mopper do the job for you. This $200 robot creates a virtual map of your room and systematically cleans every inch. Control it through a mobile app, set schedules, and say goodbye to traditional vacuum cleaners. Save for furniture and pets. This robot is your new household helper. Chase Bot Droid, smart drone for fun and learning. Chase Bot Droid is not just a robot. It's a smart drone equipped with autopilot and machine learning. Control it with a computer or voice commands and have endless fun while learning to code. With different complexity levels, this robot can connect to other devices, offering a unique and educational experience starting at $55. Rockubout, self-sterilizing robot for on-the-go cleanliness. Meet Rockubout, the self-propelled sterilizing robot with an integrated UVC lamp. This compact gadget disinfects surfaces as it moves, designed to be small and maneuverable. Take it anywhere to disinfect hotel rooms, beds, and more. Prices start at $120. Olly, the robot with a personality. Olly is not just a robot, it's a companion with personality. Developed by London specialists, Olly interacts with users almost like a human being. It thinks, makes decisions, asks questions, and improves your quality of life. With an AI system adjusting to each owner, Olly becomes a unique and personalized robot. Get yours for $550.